Hey guys, and it's and ooh, this is way different than I remember. So I finally got OG Fun Monkey Horror for after a while without playing it. So yeah, this is my first video of playing it. Of me playing it. Since I'm not even in a public or a private, I'm just not loaded in. But I think vents is buns, so we're gonna go to crawl space. I don't care that I'm not connected. Let me join. Allow. There's proof. What? Did I just get kicked out? I just got kicked out. How do you guys like getting kicked out or watching me get kicked out of OG Fun Monkey Horror? Cause I joined Crawl Space. And actually, it's not my first time playing Crawl Space. Probably because I was playing Crawl Space. No, I'm more That's away from Blue Talkie and Red Talkie. This game? What? Okay. This is part 1. I'm gonna make a part 2 later. Bye, guys. My heart dropped. As you can see my hands from here to here. So fast. Okay, so bye, guys. I'll make a different video on that later.